Nanaimo bars, but in cakesicle form. I think that'll be fun. So I buy my molds from Amazon. You can find them in different shapes, different sizes. So let's begin. So first we're gonna do, first we're gonna be making the crust. So graham crackers, we're doing 125 grams. Cocoa powder, 22 grams. Shredded coconut, what's that? Coconut, 100 grams. We're going to melt 90 grams of butter. One egg. It'll be interesting. Oh, it smells good already. So my butter is melted, as we can see. And here's our mixture. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my molds right here. And just add them like so. And then we're gonna bake them. These molds are safe to go in the oven. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. It smells amazing. Okay, so now the crust is being baked off in the oven. I'll bake them for about 6 to 7 minutes because they're so thin and it's a really small amount. And now we are going to work on our filling, which is super easy. Okay, what am I gonna start with? We're gonna start with our butter, 125 grams. Let me get a spoon. $125 grams of butter. Then icing sugar, 260 grams, which is about 2 cups. You know, you guys, I always make a mess when it involves icing sugar, so let's go easy on this guy. So now we're adding about 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 45 ml of milk. Go soft. And a pinch of salt. Okay, so my cakesicles are all baked. And now my icing is all done, or the filling. So you can see what it looks like. Piping bag. So my filling is in my piping bag, and now we're just going to fill and I'm just gonna level it. Okay, we've got our wooden sticks now, or our popsicle sticks, and we're gonna stick them in. And they will resist a little bit. We're gonna smooth it out. And then you want to put them in the freezer for a few hours because we want the custard to be nice and firm before we dip it in delicious dark chocolate. Okay, so here we have them. They've been frozen for a couple of hours. We're gonna dip them. Let's dip one more. So I'm dipping them in chocolate that was melted very slowly. Increments of 30 seconds until it's melted. If it's too thick, you can add a tiny bit of oil just to loosen things up. And now we've got Nanaimo bars. Okay, so I've got some melted chocolate. And I'm just going to drizzle. Give it a fun design. Then place it in the fridge for a few minutes and then enjoy.